Hey, what's up, folks? How you doing? This time I'm just gonna try to explain the easy way, of course, how to adjust your cassette deck speed. What it's important to be said is those are all vintage cassette decks. Many of them are laying down somewhere for 20 years, 10 years. So those small rubbery parts inside, like a belt, should be replaced. And this one has both belts replaced. However, the second part of the deck that is also rubbery, that's a pitch roller. That you see, this is a auto reverse cassette deck, so it has two. One on the left side, that's rubbery parts, and the other one. And there are the capstans on top of it. So, as you can see, this one is brand new, replaced, and this one is old. I had to replace it because you can hear wobbling and stuff. You can hear that that it's old and it needs to be replaced. So I did that. But hey, if everything is fine, then you can, I just want to check it, the speed of the tape. Of course, I played a couple of songs that I knew and I measured the time and it was fine, correct, dandy. But the way that you should do it, if you know that this tape has proper speed, let's say this tape cassette deck has proper speed, everything is set up, mint, then you can make your own tape. You need just blank tape. The tape that you're gonna use to adjust speed on this deck, on any other deck. So to do that, you need to generate a 440 hertz tone. You can do that as I did is in SoundForge. There is an option there. Let me see if I can do it. It's a little bit tough because I have that flash. But here you can see I think it's synthesis, yeah, and a simple. When you click that, you'll be able to set up 404 hertz, how long it should be, okay. And I already did that and I have that tone. Maybe you can hear it. You can hear it. So yeah, then you're gonna play that tone and record it on your cassette deck. Simple as that. So let's reset the counter and play the tone. I mean, it has to be, like this. Okay. So because it's annoying, I'm gonna stop it. But you have that tone, then you're gonna rewind it. Yeah. And then you're gonna, hold on, use one app from the app store. This one is G-Strings Tuner or something. That should pick up the frequency very well. Let's try. Maybe okay. Yeah. As I said, this one is properly set up deck. But if I try to play that on the other side, like here, I'm getting the 436. Why is that? Because the speed is not the same. Why the speed is not the same? Because this pitch roller needs to be replaced. And that goes for this deck too. Both pitch roller needs to be replaced. And after I do that, the speed of this deck should be the same with this one. If it's not, then you need to open the cover. And if the deck is very simple, you will find a small hole on the deck's motor. And there you can put your small screwdriver and try to move it left or right. And then you're going to adjust the speed of the motor which is adjusting the speed of the tape, of course. Modern decks, they have it on the like a small potentiometer or whatever it is, so you can do it like easily. You know, you don't have to with a regular screwdriver. You don't have to have very small screwdriver. But that's another story. It's for another video. All I wanted to do here is to explain how to make your own tape. But let's say this: you don't have a correct speed on this deck. You don't know the speed, and you cannot make your own tape, because if you make it, the deck will make it for that speed. The measure will be right, but the speed will still be the wrong thing. So what you need is like a tape which is recorded on some reference cassette deck. The best of many of them, the best models have direct drive motors, so they don't have rubbery parts inside. So the speed of the tape, if the deck is in perfect condition, will always be the same. So those kind of people who already have those decks, they will record this tape with a lot of different frequencies, and you can buy it on eBay for $6, $7, $10. So if you need a tape and you don't know anyone who's got a deck with a perfect speed, then you can order it on eBay. All right, that will be all for this time. See you next time.